Word type logos consist of characters and are without pictures or symbols. The characters may be created from existing fonts, or they may be illustrated from scratch. Here's a series of Wordmark logos I've designed and a brief description of each. The NASA logo was developed for a spa resort. With the O replicated twice, it represents the bubbles of a spa. The font is a wispy sans serif to reflect flowing water. Developed for an IT company, the Nova logo employs a bold sans serif italicized font, and its feature is the V in the A, which represents both input and output. Effects is a business specializing in special effects. The highlighted focus of the E represents the electronic medium employed for their productions. Queens design and manufacture luxury furniture. The font is a decorative bold serif, and ornamental features are given to the end characters to reflect the decorative elements of their furniture. Lemon Pie is an upbeat logo developed for a cafe specialising in fruit pies. The type is a bold condensed sans serif, and each character is slightly out of alignment to emphasise the fun aspect. The finishing touch was to replace the tittle of the eye with a slice of pie.